Now, how can I select this object here in the middle? There must be some selection tool for that. And of course there is. What we do is we select one of these faces and we press L. And what will happen is everything directly connected to here will be selected. It's important, however, to deactivate proportional editing again, because otherwise you will get this. So we turn off proportional editing and then we push this far out and move the whole thing up on the Z-axis so that everything is level right about here. Now, if you accidentally press the H button while doing this, your object is suddenly gone. You've hidden it, but you can just press Alt-H and it's back. And what we now want to do is do some cleanup. So we go to the top menu and we select Mesh, Cleanup, and Merge by Distance. If we change the merge distance, you can see what happens. This algorithm actually is there to find the points that you're not really using that are really close together and merge them together. And we can see now that this is not enough for us. So we go in here again and select everything very carefully. Then I go into my quick favorites and I select Merge by Distance. And you can, for example, now input a 3 here or something. And now you'll see that it has removed 64 vertices. The dialog window at the bottom is very helpful with this. It's so small we cannot see how much it has removed. However, we now know for sure that exactly 64 vertices were removed. And those were exactly the 64 points that we have here right now. And you can now see that the object is geometrically connected again and we don't have any more stupid edges here that give us trouble. Now, we just gotta put a straw in there and this is nothing more than a cylinder that's scaled down. And with that, we have our McDonald's cup. I mean, it's not really a McDonald's cup, it's just a shape, but it's looking really good. It all looks nice and, you know, this is the way we should want to have it. And the next step for a cup, obviously, is the colors. We need to get the white and the red color on the straw and maybe some slight transparency on the lid. All of that is not here yet, but we will deal with that in the next section of this tutorial. Also, if you're enjoying this course so far, please leave 5 stars. It really helps, and it's of course very nice to see that people like what I've made and that they find it useful. So I'm looking forward to seeing you in the third section, which is about shading. See you then.